Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to use this laptop as a wireless monitor for another device. So first of all, make sure that both this laptop and your other device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and once they are, you'll have to open up the Start menu, go to Settings, select System, scroll down, select Optional Features on the list, click View Features next to add an optional feature, and right here write down the wireless display. Check this checkbox next to the feature and click Next. In order to install it, click Add and wait for this feature to install. Okay, and once the feature is added, it's better if you restart your device. So close this window, open the Windows, the Start menu, go to the Power options, select Restart, and wait for your device to reboot. And once the device is restarted, open the Start menu once again, go to Settings, again select System, and then scroll down all the way to Projecting this PC tab. Now open it, and then change the first option to either Available Everywhere or Available Everywhere on secure networks if you're connected to the secure network. I'm gonna use Available Everywhere because this will work every time. And also, if you want your device to be a monitor while disconnected from the charging cable, switch this toggle to off, and then let's move to another device from which we're gonna project the screen. So on your other device, you'll have to use the Windows K combination, then select the available desktop on the list. Then you'll have to confirm the connection on the other laptop, on the original one to which we want to project the screen. So let me show it to you. Click, as you can see here, you can allow once, or if you expand the list, you can always allow block, or you can block otherwise if you got unwanted connection. So click OK, and then wait for the screen to be projected. Let me switch to this device real quick. So as you can see right now, we are using this laptop as a monitor for the laptop on the left side. So everything that happens on the laptop on the left side is shown on our monitor. So you can open the browser, you can cast videos, basically anything. And if you want to stop the projection, just drag your mouse pointer to the top of your screen and press the X button. And then when you want to disable, this feature, just switch the Always Available feature, Available Everywhere feature to Always Off. And that will be it. So basically that's how you use your laptop as a monitor for a different device. Thank you for watching it. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.